Hey there, DIY babes, it's your girl, your name. And let me tell you, I am so excited about today's video. We're talking about turning trash into treasure, people. Have you ever looked at a pile of old keys, bottle caps, or a broken watch and thought, man, this is sad, I have to throw this away? Well, stop right now. Don't even think about tossing those precious pieces of potential because I'm about to show you how to transform them into the coolest, most unique jewelry you've ever seen. Get ready to unleash your inner crafting genius and create some seriously amazing statement pieces. We're talking vintage vibes, funky earrings, steampunk chic, you name it, we're making it. So grab your glue guns, round up your junk drawers, and let's get this DIY party started. Okay, first up, we're diving straight into the wonderful world of vintage keys. You know, those gorgeous old keys you find tucked away in antique shops or maybe even in your grandma's attic. Those, my friends, are about to become your new favorite accessories. To make this necklace, you'll need an old key, some acrylic paint if you want to add a pop of color, clear nail polish or sealant, a jump ring, and a necklace chain. First things first, give that key a good clean with some warm soapy water. If it's a little rusty, grab some steel wool and give it a gentle scrub. Now comes the fun part, decorating. This is totally optional, but if you want to add your own personal flair, grab some acrylic paint and go wild. Metallic paints like gold or silver look super chic on keys. Once you're happy with your design, seal it in with a coat of clear nail polish. This will prevent the paint from chipping and keep your necklace looking fabulous for years to come. Almost there! Now grab your jump ring and attach it to the hole at the top of your key. Finally, thread your chain through the jump ring and voila! You've got yourself a stunning, one-of-a-kind key pendant necklace. How cool is that? Alright guys, get ready to be amazed because we're about to turn ordinary bottle caps into super cool and funky earrings. I know, it sounds crazy, but trust me on this one. Bottle caps are like little blank canvases just waiting for your creative touch. Plus, they come in so many different colors and designs, the possibilities are endless. For this DIY, you'll need 2 bottle caps, a nail and hammer, or a drill if you have one, earring hooks, jump rings, and then whatever you want to use to decorate, paint, decorative paper, glitter, you name it. First up, let's make these bottle caps a little more earring friendly. To fix that, simply place the bottle cap on a flat surface and give it a few gentle taps with a hammer to flatten it slightly. Next, we need to create a hole for the earring hooks. If you're using a drill, carefully drill a small hole at the top of each bottle cap. If you're using a nail and hammer, place the nail on the spot where you want the hole and give it a good whack with the hammer. Safety first, friends. Make sure you're doing this on a sturdy surface. Now it's time to unleash your inner artist. Paint the bottle caps with your favorite colors. Cover them in cute decorative paper, or sprinkle on some glitter for extra sparkle. To seal in all that creativity and make your earrings extra durable, give them a coat of clear nail polish, or even some resin if you're feeling fancy. Last but not least, attach the earring hooks using jump rings. And there you have it, you just turned trash into treasure with these one-of-a-kind bottle cap earrings. Alright, my fellow DIY enthusiasts, for this project we're going full-on steampunk. Get ready to transform a forgotten old watch into a stunning statement bracelet. You'll need an old watch. Don't worry, it doesn't have to be working, we only need the face. You'll also need some leather straps or a metal chain, jewelry pliers, jump rings, and a clasp for the bracelet. First things first, carefully remove the old watch strap. If it's a leather strap, you can simply cut it off. If it's a metal band, you might need to use the jewelry pliers to remove it. Now, take a close look at your watch face. There should be small loops on either side where the strap used to be attached. This is where we'll attach our new bracelet components. Grab your jump rings and attach one to each loop on the watch face. Make sure the jump rings are securely closed. Next, choose your weapon, leather or chain. Both look amazing with watch face bracelets. Thread your chosen material through the jump rings on the watch face. If you're using leather, you can either tie the ends together or attach a clasp for a more polished look. And just like that, you've upcycled an old watch into a totally unique and stylish bracelet. You guys, this next one is for all you fashion-forward DIYers out there. We're about to transform humble zippers into some seriously stylish jewelry. For this project, you'll need a broken zipper. The bigger and bolder, the better. You'll also need scissors, super glue, or a sewing needle and thread, and either earring hooks, necklace chains, or brooch backs, depending on what kind of jewelry you want to make. First things first, grab your scissors and carefully cut the zipper into small spiral shapes. These spirals will be the building blocks of your jewelry designs. Now comes the fun part, designing. You can arrange the zipper spirals into all sorts of shapes and patterns. Try making flowers, stars, hearts, or even geometric designs. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to secure those spirals in place. You can either glue them together using super glue, or, if you're feeling patient, sew them together using a needle and thread. Now it's time to transform your zipper creations into wearable art. If you're making earrings, attach a jump ring to the top of each spiral and then add an earring hook. For a necklace, simply attach a jump ring and thread it onto a chain. And there you have it, zipper jewelry that's guaranteed to turn heads. Okay, you guys, this next DIY is so simple, so cute, and so addictive. We're talking about button rings, people. Yep, those adorable little buttons you have stashed away in your sewing kit are about to become the stars of the show. For this project, all you need are some buttons. The more variety, the better. And some ring bases. First things first, it's time to raid your button stash. Look for buttons that speak to your personal style. Simply choose a button and a ring base, and then attach the button to the ring base using a strong glue. Make sure the button is centered on the base and that the glue is spread evenly. Now comes the hardest part, waiting. Let the glue dry completely before you start rocking your new button rings. And that's it. You've just created a collection of unique and adorable button rings that are guaranteed to brighten up any outfit. The best part? You can make a whole bunch of these for next to nothing. Seriously, buttons are like mini works of art and they make the most adorable rings. Alright, my fellow DIYers, get ready to unleash your inner sculptor because we're about to turn ordinary wire into some seriously stunning jewelry. Yep, you heard me right, wire. Don't underestimate the power of this humble material. For this project, you'll need some recycled wire. Copper, aluminum, or even old electrical wire will work. You'll also need jewelry pliers, and if you want to add some extra sparkle, some beads. First things first, let's talk safety. If you're using old electrical wire, make sure it's not live before you start working with it. Now grab your wire and your pliers and let's get creative. You can bend, shape, and twist the wire into all sorts of designs. Try making simple loops, spirals, or even more intricate shapes like hearts, stars, or flowers. If you're new to wire wrapping, start with some basic shapes and work your way up to more complex designs. Once you're happy with your wire creations, it's time to add the finishing touches. If you're using beads, thread them onto the wire before you create your final shapes. And there you have it, recycled wire jewelry that's both stylish and sustainable. Alright, my eco-conscious crafting warriors, for our final DIY project, we're taking recycling to a whole new level. Get ready to transform those plastic bottles cluttering up your recycling bin into a stunning statement necklace that's as eco-friendly as it is stylish. For this project, you'll need a clear plastic bottle, scissors, a heat source like a candle or lighter, paint or markers for decorating, and a necklace chain. First things first, let's transform that plastic bottle into some fabulous floral components. Carefully cut the bottle into petal shapes. You can make them as big or small as you like, and you can experiment with different petal shapes for a more organic look. Now comes the fun part, shaping those petals. Carefully hold the edges of each petal near a heat source. A candle flame works great, but be super careful. As the plastic heats up, it will start to curl slightly. Gently manipulate the plastic to create those graceful curves. Once you've shaped all your petals, it's time to unleash your inner artist. Paint the petals with vibrant colors, add delicate details with markers, or even sprinkle on some glitter for extra sparkle. Now it's time to assemble your floral masterpiece. Arrange the petals in a pleasing design and attach them to the necklace chain using jump rings. And there you have it, a stunning statement necklace that's both stylish and sustainable. And there you have it, my DIY darlings. 7 incredible ways to transform everyday junk into stunning, one-of-a-kind jewelry pieces. Remember, the best DIY projects are the ones that let your creativity shine through. So don't be afraid to experiment, put your own spin on things, and most importantly, have fun with it. Now, I want to see your creations. Share your upcycled jewelry masterpieces with me on social media using the hashtag #JunkToeJewelry. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. Until next time, happy crafting!